Good morning, everybody. We are here in Montreal, Quebec, Canada. This is Bella. She's been vegan since August 2017, and she's gonna have her healthy vegan breakfast. This is kibble, just like any normal kibble, except it happens to be cruelty-free. And while Bella eats her food, I'm gonna show you this sign here. This is a sign that I made from a piece of wood that I found in the garbage. And it says, learn the truth. Watch Dominion. DominionMovement.com. This is a documentary that you can watch just by typing that in. WatchDominion.com. And it's about animals and what goes on in the industry. It exposes all the lies that you've been told about the meat industries, the dairy industry, egg industry, fur industry, all of these terrible things. There's no reason for us to hurt animals at all. We need to go forward into the future and be kind and be vegan. Why? Because we can. It takes nothing away from a human to be kind to an animal. This is our Bella. If she can be vegan, then so can you. Simply go to the store and only put veggies, fruits, nuts, seeds, and grains in your shopping cart. Peace begins on your plate, so open up your heart. Just be vegan. Don't bring any more dead animals into your home. It's as simple as that. Bella could eat 5 cups of this. She just loves the food, actually. This particular brand is called Evolution that she's eating right now. And everything's fine with her. Her pee is fine, her poo is fine. She's completely normal in every single way. She's tough, and she likes to do everything that any other dogs like to do. She runs, she plays, she swims, she jumps. Yeah. So if she can be vegan, so can you. I encourage you to watch this documentary and to share it. I post it often, and there are others in the series as well. You can go to watch Dairy is Scary, which is just a short 5-minute documentary. If you only have 5 minutes, that just talks to you just about the dairy industry. You can also go and watch another video called Earthlings, which talks about similar things to Dominion Movement. It was made a little bit earlier, but it also is something that's quite touching. I saw it and it made me really sad. And it was one of the main reasons that I changed and became vegan. You can also watch something called Forks Over Knives, which talks again about nutrition and doctors and different misconceptions that we have, brainwashing that's been done by these industries to try to get us to buy their products. It's been proven by the Academy of Nutrition and Dietetics that you can be 100% healthy being vegan. So why not choose the path of compassion if you can? Hey, my sweet Bella. She's such a good girl. Look at her nice paws. Yeah. You're such a good girl. I love you, Bella. Yeah. Remember not to breed dogs into existence or pay anyone to breed them. There are so many that are abandoned all over the world that you can go and rescue. Just go and adopt them. There are lots of people working right now in places like China where they eat dogs, and they're rescuing them, and then they need help. They need help to get them over here. Don't pay somebody to create a new dog when so many of them need homes. Go to your local shelter and adopt a dog there. We got them into this mess. It's our job to get them out of it. And if you see for some reason in your personal shelter nearest your home that they are all adopted, then go to another shelter. There's plenty of them all over Canada and the United States. And in New York City, I know that they kill dogs every day. It's very sad. Poor sweetie pies. We don't want to hurt you. So go and watch this documentary to really understand why we are here on YouTube, so many of us animal rights defenders, because we want you to understand the message. We know it's hard, and we know you end up hating us at first because you think that we're being cruel to you. You think that we are judging you. And the truth is we actually are judging you. We're judging you because we used to be like you, and we know that you can change. As soon as you learn better, you can do better. So Just learn. Thanks a lot for watching. I know that sentence didn't come out right. When you know better, you do better. That's what I'm trying to say. Hey, it's early morning for me too. I haven't even got my socks on yet. Look. All right. So thank you for being here, everybody, and thank you for hanging out with me and Bella. If you have a dog, tell me about your dog in the comment section. Tell me if you've tried some vegan food. It's very easy to do the switch over. It just takes a couple of days, and you can buy it online. Make sure you get a reputable brand that has some taurine in it, and have your dog checked out to make sure everything's fine. But honestly, she is perfectly fine. Yeah. My sweetie pie. She's looking at me like, why are you here talking to me sitting on the ground? Normally you open the door and we go back to bed and have a nice little siesta, or we go for a walk. Hey? Alright, thanks for watching, everybody. See you in the next video. You're going to see some other videos on screen now. Click on them if you can. If you're curious, watch the other movies. You're not sure to come in, or are you going to go down to pee? Go pee. Go on. Go pee and come back. No? Okay. Come on.